This 2020 Keystone Cougar East 364 BHL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stovetop burner, LP detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, slide-out, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, DVD player, water heater, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Cougar East 364 BHL is 11,225 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.